Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the You to the People adaptogens plus snow mushroom plus oat oil lipids plus vitamins super shroom calm cleanser. This product retails for $39. I'm glad You to the People finally has a designated sensitive skin friendly cleanser, and it is also fragrance free. Huge deal for You to the People. I'm really excited for this cleanser for multiple reasons. I love more moisturizing cleansers and I love You to the People cleansers, but they can be a little bit drying to my skin during the colder months. My skin is dealing with a lot of sensitization. We're kind of in between seasons right now. I feel like it's the perfect time for this cleanser launch. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in a recyclable package. They use ashwagandha, chaga mushroom, snow mushroom, and oat oil lipids. To check out the full ingredients, you can click the link in the description and go to their website. Also left the full ingredients in the description as well. I'm impressed by the soothing ingredients in this cleanser, but it also makes me a little bit nervous. I am acne prone. Sometimes cleansers that are designed to be more nourishing don't do well enough. So the big things I'm going to be looking for include, does it cause acne? Is it cleansing enough? Does it leave a film on the skin? And how does it feel after I've washed my face? As for anything else, I'm continuing to do check-in. So I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in and also my first impression with this cleanser. A long time coming for me because oddly enough, I used to love their mushroom moisturizer. I didn't continue using it because it was a little bit more expensive than some of my more favorite sensitive skin moisturizers, but I love that this has been the collection that You to the People has kept fragrance free. A lot of their cleansers and all their products have fragrance in it. I'm really excited that they finally have what is looking to be more of a dry skin friendly cleanser. Comes out as this milky texture. Feels so good. Oh my gosh. No fragrance, kind of smells similar to their mushroom moisturizer if you've smelled that. And it's looking like it's gonna be a milky cleanse. It's not really foaming up much. When I tell you all, I have such high hopes for this cleanser. This is really looking promising. But at the same time, when cleansers are not as purifying as I need, sometimes they can cause some acne, and I'm hoping that it won't do that. This seems to have great ingredients in it. You do also get 8 fluid ounces for the price, which pretty expensive cleanser, but at least you get a lot of it. I love You to the People's packaging. It's every time I get one of their products, I love displaying it and like using it on my shelf. So very glad to have another one of their cleansers in my rotation. I did also just shave my face, so I feel like that will be the perfect time to test out the gentleness of this cleanser. I'm gonna be using it both day and night. It feels super milky going on the face, like almost a little bit cushiony as it cleanses, which I've seen with a lot of standard, more milky cleansers like this. There will definitely be some comparing going on because this is more expensive. One of my favorite cleansers that I just tried was the Remedy for Rich Cream Cleansing. It's feeling very reminiscent of that, but this is a little bit more lush, if that makes sense. A little bit more of a nourishing texture. You can see there, it kind of just melts into the skin. No foam at all, which that is, comparing this to You to the People's other cleansers, it definitely is more milky, obviously, but it's not foaming at all. I feel like You to the People has just been releasing foaming cleansers and products that are more tailored for oily to combination skin. This is definitely the dry skin option, and I like, with skincare that takes sensitive skin in mind, I usually gravitate towards those style of products because even if my skin is not sensitized, I like to be gentle with my skin barrier, and this cleanser is feeling like it's really considerate of the skin barrier. Let's see if it leaves any film when it rinses off. My skin still feels so bouncy after rinsing and drying my face. This is such a nourishing cleanser. I've been getting some more sun exposure lately than I'm used to getting, So my skin has been sensitized around this area of my face. This cleanser is very considerate of that. It is a really beautiful formula so far. I'm gonna have to continue using it to see how effective it was. I was just using sunscreen. I didn't have a skin tint or anything. I'm gonna test it out with that as well. I like that it doesn't foam, but that does make me wonder how well it's gonna be cleansing. Only time will tell with that, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this cleanser. My favorite cleanser from You to the People by far. I have to say this is a really nourishing product. Some benefits I've noticed since my last check-in were a skin softening effect. Has a very softening feel to it that was friendly for my acne-prone skin, which was the biggest thing I was looking for with it, and also was effective at cleansing the face. It's not a foaming cleanser, so if you're looking for that, it's definitely not with this product. You to the People has other cleansers that are wonderful for that, but this is my favorite cleanser from them because it's fragrance-free, super gentle, moisturizing, yet effective. Checks off all of the boxes for what I look for in a cleanser. Their mushroom collection has just worked so well for me. Their moisturizer worked well back when I was getting into skincare. Haven't revisited that product since, but now after trying this, I want to. This product was soothing for redness, super calming to the skin, gentle enough when my skin was sensitized, and I feel like this will be a dream cleanser for sensitive skin. I do have more budget-friendly alternatives, but I will say this is a rare case where I feel like it is worth investing in because of the ingredients in it, because of the performance, because it's just a cleanser I fell in love with. I love You to the People's formulas, specifically their mushroom collection has worked well for me. And I don't feel like with how frequent I was using this product, kind of could see myself using this situationally, but I love using it both day and night because it is so gentle yet effective, and it's gonna be a perfect winter cleanse. I didn't see myself going through it very quickly. It just takes 1 to 2 pumps and it spreads very well and is very effective. So I feel like I won't go through this product very quickly, but obviously not everyone's going to be investing in this style of product and have the means to. So I do want to provide some more affordable alternatives. Geek and Gorgeous's Jelly Joker cleanser is kind of a micellar style cleanser. The only similarity to this and that is that that product doesn't foam much and it kind of has a similar cleanse to this. This is obviously more milky and has some soothing ingredients for redness, but if you're looking for a gentle cleanser, I'd recommend the Geek and Gorgeous Jelly Joker as a more affordable option. The closest resemblance to this, even though this is a foaming cleanser, is Remedies for Rich Cleansing. This product is really moisturizing, super creamy, and has some of the same redness reducing properties that this does in a more foaming aspect. It's balanced like this. It's something I could see myself potentially viewing as an alternative, but when my skin was sensitized, this was just a dream. I'm gonna have to use this for longer to fully compare it to the Remedy, but I really loved both formulas. This one I just really gravitated towards because I think I found it at a time where my skin was really sensitized and it's helped my face like no other. Truly a standout cleanser and the best one from You to the People. I'd recommend it if you have sensitive skin, if you have combination to dry skin. Oily skin, not as much unless you're just wanting a gentle refresher cleanse throughout the day or something more gentle at night. It is pretty purifying. I am wearing makeup currently and it did a great job to remove that paired with an oil cleanser. So I would recommend it. It really checks off all of the boxes. Rare that I would invest in a product like this when I know of some more budget-friendly options, but it truly speaks to how well this product worked for my skin, and for that reason, I would recommend it. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.